Alright, hey YouTube. So you guys might be wondering why, like, when you pull the trigger and the invert mini's on, when you pull the trigger, oh sorry, focus this. When you pull the trigger, it doesn't make a noise, but you know it makes a noise when you like the trigger itself, but it won't make a noise. I don't know how to describe it, but it's a solenoid noise or clicking. But so what you do? Well, sorry. That means your eyes are on. When you pull the trigger and your invert's on, when you pull the trigger and it doesn't make that solenoid click, it means your eyes are on. Now, to turn your eyes off, what you do is you hold the trigger and then you turn the gun on. And now your eyes are off. So now when you press it, it makes that solenoid clicking. So if you can hear it, and that isn't the trigger making the noise. So there you guys go. And to turn the eyes back on, you simply don't have to do anything. Just turn it on, what you would normally do. And now we'll make the solenoid clicking. Okay. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.